In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to get the best Bluehost coupon code so you can unlock the biggest possible discount on your web hosting. If you go to the official Bluehost website directly, you'll see the standard pricing, which is already competitive for what they offer. But with our special partner link in the video description below, you'll get a significantly better deal. This is an exclusive discount that isn't available anywhere else, and it's applied automatically. No need to enter a promo code or search for a working coupon. So go ahead and scroll down to the description. Click the first link you see, and you'll be taken straight to the Bluehost website with the highest available discount already activated. Once you're on the site, you'll be asked to choose your hosting plan. If this is your first time setting up a website, I recommend starting with the basic plan. It's the most affordable option and perfect for personal websites, blogs, or small business sites. If you're planning to host multiple websites or want powerful built-in tools to grow and monetize your content, like AI onboarding, Yoast SEO, WooCommerce paid courses, membership or subscription features, and daily backups, then the e-commerce essentials plan is your best option. It bundles all those premium features into one cohesive package, offering greater flexibility and value, especially when combined with our exclusive discount. All Bluehost plans come with these great built-in perks: a free domain name for your first year, one-click WordPress installation for fast and easy setup, 24/7 customer support that's known for being helpful and beginner-friendly. Now, just a quick heads up, during checkout, Bluehost may offer a few original add-ons, things like SEO tools, extra security, or business email. These extras are entirely optional. You can skip them for now and always add them later once your site is live. If you're trying to keep your budget tight, feel free to uncheck those boxes and continue with the basics. Once you've completed your sign-up, be sure to check out the video I've linked here. It's a full step-by-step tutorial that shows you exactly how to build your website on Bluehost using WordPress, even if you're starting completely from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your account to customizing your first page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Bluehost discount.